We are at it again. Issue 119. Some exhaust piping for the reactor. That's going to be a good one. Getting kind of anxious to get this done. After this one, be another 11 to go. And they all looking fairly simple. Oh yeah. Hopefully you're going to have a good weekend. I'm going to try to get this up as soon as I'm done. Go make me some dinner. Then I got to probably put in some, go back to work. Put in a little OT. We'll see. Do that, I'd be working some Saturday action. Friday night or Saturday night. It's not like I'm going out anywhere. Oh man, a bunch of little pieces. Okay. Let's see. Okay, where are we starting here? Some AP screws, putting these pipes together. Plastic pipes. AP. Oh man, my back is tweaking. It's hurting. David Brown. Shout out to David Brown. Hopefully he's doing okay. Shout out to Hector the cat. I don't know, he's got like 500 YouTube channels. You may see him down in the comments. Go check him out. He does a bunch of die-cast paint works and fixer-uppers and puts them on a turntable and makes them spin. He likes to spin little cars. What's up, Hector? Okay, that one is done deal. Let's get this other one up together. These things are gonna set up in here, something like that. Something like that. I don't know if there's gonna be a locked and loaded tonight. Probably. I'm not sure if I'll be able to even catch it. Like I said, if I go back to work, most likely not. I'm also binge watching Game of Thrones. Yeah, I'm the guy who never has watched any of them, but I've been binge watching Game of Thrones. I'm on season 3. It's a really good series to binge watch. I'll get these little brackets. We're gonna attach them with some GP screws up on there. GPs, huh? I was on someone else's channel. I can't remember what his name is. Does some Star Trek model stuff, but he was saying that round 2 may be purchasing Eaglemoss. They're in talks with him, so I don't know where he's getting his information from. That could be good. Round 2 is a U.S. company. I think it's called Round 2. They make sure I'm even putting this in the right holes. Make sure I'm doing this right. They look the same. Just wasn't lining up very good. Let's see if it lines up better over here. Anyway, round 2 is they kind of get companies that have stopped making models and stuff, and they keep them alive. This one's a finicky sucker to get done. These screws. But they've done things like, you know, they've gotten licensure and done like the models, for the Star Trek models, older AMT models, you know, things like that. And actually the ones I got that 1/350 scale limited edition pre-built that it's on display proudly in my living room currently. Make sure those screws are in good. You know, it had for the price, it had a little bit of kind of damage on it that most people don't even notice unless I point it out. It looked worse in the vids when I did the vids on it, but So I'm glad I opened it up and put it together and kept it. You know, some things I could touch up on my own, but like I said, people don't even notice it unless you point it out. Quality control was not good for those. However, if they buy out the Eaglemoss stuff, these Partworks kits come right from the China anyway. So they probably have warehouses of this crap sitting around, or ready to be built, packaged. I think they'd just be responsible for putting the packages together, maybe printing these magazines, these instruction booklets, shipping them. I don't have any current subscriptions that I got hosed on, unless I was able to restart my enterprise build, which who knows if they would even let me do that, because I actually canceled that before Eaglemoss went under, luckily. Although it was kind of a waste of money where I got to. I just wasn't getting too happy with it. Okay. So that could be some good info for you out there if you're actually watching this and listening, which is cool. Alright, what do we got? Oh, wait a minute. I'm jumping the gun here. Jumping them guns, because I never did put the little grill pieces on. I gotta put the grill pieces on this. We're going to have to fold these tabbies over, and they go on with some IP screws. I'm going to get the IPs ready. The rock, put those over here. I really hate having all these different size screws and stuff, but here we are. And no matter where you go, there you are. Who's with me? Buckaroo Banzai, Across the Fifth Dimension. Pretty sure that was the title of the movie. Old school movie, classic action. That's where that quote came from. Never got that sequel, even though at the end it was like, you know, we were supposed to get one. Didn't pan out. And I'm going to struggle with this screw here. Well, I thought I was going to get this up by 5:30, but normally I'm recording these a day in advance or something like that, trying to get them up for the next day. This one, I wanted to try to get up now. It's Friday. Got off work at 5. Get up here. This kit going. Oh man, this is screwball. Putting this little grill piece on is some screwball stuff. But we're gonna get it done. It's kind of nice trying to get these, having all these released at 5:30 Mountain Central Time, or Mountain Standard Time. There's no Mountain Central Time. Mountain Standard Time through the week. Although the rest of these kits, some of them are pretty easy, so I may try to knock a few of them out all at once and maybe do a big vid or something. I don't know. I know people are getting tired of seeing these. However, this is my YouTube channel. It's supposed to be about stuff you're doing. I'm just lucky enough a few of you watch. Appreciate it. I don't really have any current events to discuss with you. Trying to keep this video pretty clean, and although there is a lot of scary stuff going on out there in the world, you know, nothing like potential for World War III or something, because the Speaker of the House is visiting Taiwan, but whatever. Ah, come on. You think we'd have better relations with China anyway, as much crap as we buy from them. I mean, who are they gonna sell all their crap to, all their Eaglemoss kits to? So, I don't know. Weird. Walmart gets a lot of crap from them. So I know people out there would be like, yeah, we should get made in USA. Heck, I bet the phone or the computer you're on is not made in USA watching this, but I do prefer to purchase made in USA whenever possible. Okay, those are really janky. It's gonna be kind of covered up by the big pieces there, but anyway, we're moving on. We're almost done. GPs are gonna hold this down. Yeah, we just went through a thunderstorm a little bit ago. I can smell the rain. Couple more screws, fellers. Oh, and that lady out there that's watching. Alright, that one's in. One more. That was cool. Let me get a little bit tighter. A little tighter, a little tighter, a little tighter. That's from Bubba the Love Sponge. Oh, there it is. What a tie, man. What a tie. Old Christopher Lloyd. Martian. Right to remain silent. Played faster. Lightning special effects. This whole article right here, I read it, a little bit of it, but you know, they needed it for the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity, of power. However, some studies are showing that lightning actually produces more than that. It can produce a lot more. It is kind of random, but it's probably why the time circuits got blown out. But it did work. Get old Marty back. There we go. Those reactor exhaust pipes are in place. And those big chunky monkeys are going to go over them later. About 119. We're done. I gotta go make some dinner. Boom.